Viewers, the Supreme Court has struck down the remission granted by the Gujarat government to 11 convicts who are out of jail in the Bilkis Bano case. The men who committed several unmentionable atrocities on Bano will have to go back to jail within 2 weeks. The Supreme Court had some very harsh observations to make against the Gujarat government. What did it say? It said that all orders of remission are illegal and vitiated. Orders sought by suppression of material facts. These are very severe indictments of the Gujarat administration. 2022 order obtained via fraud by misleading the court. What was this order? The order to basically release these convicts. Bilkis was not a party to the proceedings. Gujarat government is not competent, in fact, to grant this remission. Gujarat government acted in complicity with convicts. It was actually, viewers, the powers lay with the Maharashtra government. The usurpation of power by the state of Gujarat is highly condemnable. All of these things have been said by the Supreme Court. Now, among the members of the Godhra Jail Advisory Committee, the JAC, that granted remission in August 2022 to the 11 life-term convicts was 7-time Godhra MLA and former Gujarat Cabinet Minister Chandra Singh Raulji, probably known as CK Raulji. In August 2017, Raulji had left the Congress to join the BJP ahead of the Gujarat Assembly polls. Besides that, Raulji, the JAC, had 3 BJP members. Murlidhar Mulchandani, former president of Godhra municipality, who was a witness in the Sabarmati express train burning case of February 2002. Kalol MLA Suman Chauhan and Sneha Bhatia, secretary of the party's Godhra city unit. Incidentally, Raulji was at the center of the controversy when he referred to the released convicts as, quote, Brahmins with good sanskar, unquote. Now, viewers, the brazenness of the BJP-led Gujarat government in defending its mala fide decision has returned to haunt the party. Mark my words, particularly as it injected 1 or 2 of these convicts to campaign for it in the assembly elections in Gujarat. The Supreme Court order is a clear setback for the BJP that must make greater efforts to resist the temptation of playing to the Hindutva gallery. That, viewers, is translating into a very basic premise that it must walk the sabka saath talk, not just preach it. The opposition is within its rights to demand accountability, and the BJP must punish those who bent the law to further a cynical political project. And this brings me to ask 3 questions. Does the Supreme Court verdict on Bilkis Bano against Gujarat administration deal a blow to BJP's Sabka Saath campaign and also its Beti Bachao campaign? The Supreme Court has delivered justice to Bilkis Bano, but will Gujarat administration fix accountability? And 3, should the rapists in Bilkis Bano case have been celebrated and used in the election campaign? Fundamental question. Let's open this up, viewers. I wish Dr. Raman had stayed on. There you are. Dr. Raman, now it must please you infinitely. Now you should do a somersault.
At least thank Rahul.
And let me ask you, thank me.
For taking up the most discussed topic of the day.
According to you. Anyhow. Clearly, one second. Do you find fault? No, hang on. Dr. Raman, do you find fault with any of my analysis? Yes, no.
No, I did not find fault.
You did not. No, one second. Hold. Hold your thought. Viewers, you see, I don't have a split personality.
You did not say it was wrong when they were released.
One second,
You did not say that, Rahul.
Go back to my timeline on Twitter. Go back to my timeline on Twitter. Go back to the previous channel I worked with and find out what happened and what I said.
Yes, please.
Do not do this, Dr. Raman. You are on very thin ice. You are making a fraudulent claim.
I am not.
Again.
I am not.
No, please go check my Twitter handle. I took a very obtuse view of what was done on the release of these people. I said it was very wrong to have released them and to have celebrated them. Don't, sir, assume that everyone is two-faced such as yourself. Please.
Not at all.
Dr. Raman, you are absolutely wrong. You go and I will send you that tweet and you will apologize to me on Twitter after this show. You will apologize to me for the show I did, calling out the decimation of public propriety as well as administrative propriety. I will send you those clips. You will apologize to me right after that.
No, please.
I am not as fickle as you, sir. I do not have. I do not have. No, I will send them to you. I will publicly demand an apology from you, and you better have the guts to give it to me. Okay, I don't want to get involved with this gentleman.
Check your Twitter
1 second,
timeline,
Dr. Aman.
Nothing on Bilkis Bano.
Please check. I will. These words will come back and haunt you. Dr. Raman,
Rahul,
they will come back and haunt you. No, there is no question of happy. You will have to apologize. You will have to apologize. You will have to apologize. I will send them. I will send them, sir. Don't worry. I will tweet you right now in just a few minutes after this show. I can't do everything right now. I'll show you. One, viewers, it's very, very important. Deshratan Nigam, fine. The Supreme Court has said what it has said. Not unexpectedly. This was expected. Should the BJP now act against these individuals who, in the words of the Supreme Court, are complicit?
Well, Rahul, let me tell you first thing. I have to keep emotions out of the law here. When we talk of emotions, two ghastly incidents took place. One, the burning of car sevaks, 59 car sevaks who were burnt alive. And secondly, the ghastly rape that took place. They both are condemnable. However, the Supreme Court did not go into the merit of the case, whether it is bona fide or otherwise malafide.
Rahul,
they only went.
What are you showing, Dr. Ranganathan?
I'm showing your tweet. Now, I think on live television, Dr. Sumant Raman should do the decent thing and apologize.
No, I'm sorry. Please
this is Rahul Shiv Shankar. Rahul Shiv Shankar is saying Bilkis Bano's rapist shouldn't have been given remission. This is the first sentence of Rahul Shiv Shankar's tweet.
After that, what happens? Please read the full tweet. I'm not able to see it, Anand.
You read the whole thing. Read it.
I'm trying to locate it.
Read it.
I'm trying to locate the tweet. Please.
Rahul, I was
send
with
it
you.
To me. Anand,
I was with you in the program.
I know, sir, you were with me in the program. That's why you're back.
And I showed you live. Are you saying I concocted this tweet?
You have my number, Dr. Ranganathan. You can send it to me.
Why should I send it to you? Let me read it live.
Read it, Dr. Ranganathan, read it.
Yes. So these are the words of Rahul Shiv Shankar. Bilkis Bano's rapists shouldn't have been given remission, then garlanded like heroes. If the state doesn't, the SC that green lighted an appeal by one of the convicts allowing the state to set up a panel to free Bilkis violators must now again step in and send them back to jail. Apologize, Dr. Sumant Raman.
Dr. Raman is a liar.
Please send it to me.
Dr. Raman is a liar. Send him the tweet. He can put it on his face and hang it around his neck tomorrow.
I will do that. Please
shocking,
send it to me.
Shocking, Dr. Raman. Shocking. You know, your cravenness tonight has been exposed. Sorry. I don't want to get into this.
I'm sorry.
Send it to him. Please. Send it to him. Hang it around his neck tomorrow on the show when you come.
I tried to locate the same tweet.
Oh my God, sir. I cannot believe you. I cannot believe you. And that was not my only tweet, by the way. Yes. Tehseen Poonawala, yes.
I have sent it to you.
Come in?
Dr. Raman, I have sent it to
you. I wasn't finished.
Yeah.
I wasn't finished.
Yes, sorry. Sorry. Yes, Mr. Nigam. Let Mr. Nigam respond and Tehseen Poonawala will respond after that.
I apologize, Dr. Nigam, but this needed to be said.
No, that's all right. No, that's all right because I was with Rahul when
Sir, these spineless so-called liberals, unfortunately for them, they have lied so much, they can't believe themselves anymore or the facts. So that's another problem. But that's a different measure. Yes, Mr. Nigam. Yes.
So the law has left it open for the convicts to apply again to the Maharashtra government. One, they have not spoken on merits. And so far as usurpation is concerned, I think this government of Gujarat took that decision on the basis of Supreme Court judgment, not usurpation. You don't call that usurpation. Secondly, let me tell you, when there are judgments by two coordinate benches of the Supreme Court having different opinion, another bench, the subsequent bench, does not call the previous judgment as wrong. They differ in their opinion and refer it to a larger bench. Here the difference lies. You can't say that the state of Gujarat should have filed a review. That's a client's prerogative. To take a decision on that, Supreme Court cannot guide. If I am aggrieved, if I am satisfied with the Supreme Court order, why should I file a review? So that is where I differ with the Supreme Court judgment, and this should have been referred to a larger bench because that's a technicality, and the precedent and the law says that once you differ with the coordinate bench, both of two judges, then it has to be referred to a larger bench.